Super.
I'd like to request so, ladies and gentlemen, as was mentioned by Shri Hansraj and DG for his address.
आज यहाँ पर हम लोग आप लोगों को शुभकामना देने के लिए आए हैं, जहाँ पर पेट्रोकेमिकल मिनिस्ट्री के माध्यम से डाउनस्ट्रीम प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री के अनेक उपक्रमों में इनोवेशन में जो सफलता मिली है हम लोगों को, और ऐसे सफल उद्योग चलाने वाले सभी हमारे भाइयों के लिए एक 6वां राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार कार्यक्रम होने जा रहा है। और ऐसे कार्यक्रम के लिए आए हुए हमारे सम्मान्य मंत्री महोदय, हमारे मिनिस्ट्री के प्रमुख श्री अनंत कुमार जी, सेक्रेटरी, देश की जरूरत पूरे करने वाली इंडस्ट्री के लिए हम हमेशा आगे रहे। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हम लोगों को इन्हें देश को संदेश दिया है, और वो संदेश यही है कि हम अपने सक्षम बने, आत्मनिर्भर बने, और इसी को लेकर सरकार आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में पिछले 1.5 वर्षों से काम कर रही है। जो देश के लिए बहुत बड़ा मैसेज जा चुका है, मेक इन इंडिया और स्किल इंडिया। कल परसों प्रधानमंत्री जी ने स्टार्टअप इंडिया की बात कही। ये सारी बात इंडस्ट्री के साथ में हम इंपोर्ट पर जो कई क्षेत्रों में हम जरूरत महसूस करते हैं, जबकि देश में एक बहुत बड़ी ताकत है युवाओं की, पढ़े लिखे युवा, जिसमें स्किल डेवलपमेंट की बात करें या स्किल की बात करें तो देश में है। तंत्रज्ञान, यांत्रिकी ज्ञान, इस सारी बातों से हम अनभिज्ञ नहीं है। उसके बावजूद भी हम कहीं ना कहीं पिछले कुछ वर्षों में पिछड़ गए थे। लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो संदेश दिया है, जो घोष वाक्य है मेक इन इंडिया, तो मैं आप लोगों को बधाई दूंगा। जैसे कि अभी हमारे जय साहब ने कहा कि पिछले वर्ष से इस वर्ष बड़ा प्रोग्राम हम करने जा रहे हैं, आगे भी इससे बड़े प्रोग्राम होते रहेंगे और कई अवार्ड आप लोगों को देने का हमें आनंद मिलेगा। क्यों तो अगर हमने आपको पुरस्कृत नहीं किया तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी सरकार या हमारा मंत्रालय गलती कर रहा है। सिर्फ कहने से काम नहीं चलेगा, उसको अमल में लाना पड़ेगा। देश की बहुत जरूरतें हैं। फार्मा में भी हम देखते हैं, आज ही हमारे एक मीटिंग होना था, कि हम निर्यात की क्षमता तैयार करेंगे, इस स्तर तक हम पहुंचे। इन शुभकामनाओं के साथ में मैं जो भी यहाँ पर इंडस्ट्री के लिए जो भी इनोवेशन में जिन्होंने सफलता पाई है, ऐसे सभी भाइयों को मैं शुभकामना दूंगा, बधाई दूंगा, अभिनंदन करता हूँ आप लोगों का। और मैं आपसे क्षमा मांगता हूँ कि मैं अवार्ड देते समय में मैं यहाँ नहीं हूँ, मुझे नागपुर पहुँचना है, इसलिए मैं सेक्रेटरी साहब से पहले बात कर रहा हूँ। मैं आपको दिल से शुभकामना देते हुए अपने 2 शब्दों
Ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, we also have the release of the book. This is by the department. This is entitled Awards, Winners and Runners-Up. And this has
Yes, sir. Sir.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, as we have the presentation awards, before I request the Honourable Ministers to step, Dr. D.N. Tripathi and team from Defense Materials and Stores Research and Development Establishment, Kanpur, who are being recognized for the development of fire retardant polymers, blends and their fibers using polyphosphazenes. Along with them, being recognized, Shri K.V. Govindarajan, Defense Research Development Laboratory, Hyderabad. So, first, to receive the award, we have Dr. D.M. Tripathi, who is being felicitated here. Being presented the shawl, the shield, the citation, and the cash award. Now inviting Dr. Billy Daniger. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the team which we have from the Defense Materials and Stores Research and Development Establishment, Kanpur, being recognized. Shrimati Angelina Kerketa. Now Shri G. Rajesh from Advanced Systems Laboratory, Hyderabad.
Sir, this side please. Sir, this side please.
Now inviting Shri P.M. Ashraf.
This side please.
Sir.
This side please.
Now Shri K.V. Govindarajan,
Thank you.
Private Limited, Hyderabad.
Sir. Yes.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the runner-up award, which is again a joint award. The joint runners-up, Shri Nirmal C. and the team from Kolkata, being recognized right now, Shri Nirmal C. This is the runner-up award being presented, as we mentioned. This is the joint award. Shri Nirmal C. being
This side please.
appreciated and felicitated right now by the honorable ministers. Inviting now Shri Matthew Daniel. The runners-up are being presented a shield, a citation, and a shawl. Professor Sopan K. Guloi. Dr. Pranab Gogoi.
This side, sir.
For layman's understanding, what will be the benefit?
Many congratulations to the runners-up, and we move on to the next subcategory, that is industry. In this, which the PE grade 080M60 jointly conferred with Messrs. Ester Industries Limited, Gurgaon, 4 modified polyester for hot fill application by injection stretch blow molding process. So inviting now the winners, Shri S. Mitra from Messrs. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, New Delhi. This is the joint winner award being presented under the subcategory Industry and the category of Innovation and Corporate Matters.
Sir, this side please, sir.
And now inviting Shri Dili Raj from Messrs. Ester Industries Limited, Gurgaon. Being recognized with a shawl, a shield, a citation, and a cash award.
Both of you hold.
Sir.
All the three of you hold.
Please, sir. This side please.
Thank you.
Congratulations to them. And now the runner-up. This is a joint runner-up award, and in fact, Mrs. Lester were also in the winner section, and once again,
This side please.
also the runners-up here.
This side please.
They've been recognized for polyester master batch with
Sir.
congratulations to all of them.
Hold it. Sir.
In fact, we have the team members receiving the award on behalf of IIT Guwahati.
पासा जी सर
I can mention in my
सर इधर
They are the winners being appreciated here for
side,
industrial
please.
production of degradable packaging films or stringent food packaging.
Yes, please. Yes. Thank you.
And now the runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, is Manoon Maniam, Sundarana University, Tirunelveli. The winner, Dr. A.B. Murugesan. The awardee,
Sir,
Dr.
this side, please.
His organization, his university, being in charge as a runner-up in the subcategory of academia and research and development. They've been recognized, appreciated
This side, please.
Sayana Shred Space Laboratories Bengaluru for indigenous manufacture and installation of Mark II Red Mist for Dropler
This side,
weather radar. Now inviting Shri L.S. Srinath. This is the winning team which has been recognized here in the category of innovation in polymeric products.
This side, please.
And now inviting Shri M. Rajendra Prakash to please accept the award, appreciating this entire team from CSIR, National Aerospace Laboratories, Bengaluru. And now in this subcategory, we have the runner-up award, and the runner-up is Dr. Siddharamaya from Shri BA Radiation Sensing Polymer Hybrids. And now we have taking the judge as the winners, and we have Shri Hitendra Saudhankar receiving the award.
hold both of you.
Yes. Yes, sir. Sir, this one. This side, please.
And now the runner.
This side, please.
Many congratulations to him, and as we move to the next subcategory, Academian and R&D Institution, unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, Shri Tushar Sriram.
This side, please.
All the best.
Now inviting Shri
Yes, sir.
Shri Guru Vayurappan.
Yes.
They are being recognized for novel technique to evaluate biaxial tensile properties of twin polymeric materials like composite solid couplings. Now inviting Shri Nazare Bekar. These are the winner awards being presented in the subcategory of individual or team in the category of innovation of polymer processing machinery and equipments. Ladies and gentlemen, your claps are going to be assuring that ensuring the
Yes. This side, please.
Inviting Shri Suhas.
Yes.
As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, each team member being personally recognized and appreciated here, felicitated here. Srimati Elizabeth John.
Please. Madam, this side, please.
And now we have the runner-up in the same subcategory. The runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, Shri Vishnu Prasad Panda and team from Laboratory for Advanced Research in Polymeric Materials, LRPM, being recognized here for the production of highly controlled deposition and alignment of carbon nanotube
Yes, sir.
polymer composite apparatus and applications.
Either.